Guys, in this video I would like to show you how you can watch adult content on Instagram. Let's dive in. First of all, you open your Instagram applications and then you go to the profile section here. Click the profile icon. When you click on the profile icon, it will show you the three buttons up here. Then that will take you to the settings sections. Scroll down and you see where it says messages and story replies. You click on messages and story replies, then you see where it says nudity protection. You click on nudity protection here, so it will take you to this page where you can either turn it on or turn it off. When you turn it on, it will blur out photos that have nudity in your profile, and when you turn it off like this, it enables you to see adult content on Instagram. That's how to go about that. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.